We talked about this earlier, hashtags. I gave you one already. Let me give you a few more based on my research that I think will help you a lot, that's working right now. So the top 5 right now: networking, that's number 1. Number 2, working from home. Number 3, home office.
Want to find out what other hashtags are working in our industry right now? What about some strategies proven to work in 2020 as part of our financial services marketing plan? Plus, some helpful cheat codes you can use to increase the virality of your LinkedIn posts. I'm Alina Nazari with the Advisorist team, and I want to take you guys with me on a sneak peek of the behind the scenes recent live training held by 23-time award-winning marketer Jeremiah Demaray for hundreds of leading financial and insurance advisors just like you. In this clip, he shows us strategies proven to work in 2020 with little cheat codes you can use that will help you feed that LinkedIn algorithm and boost engagement to your posts. Let's take a peek together.
So growing up as a kid, my brother and I would play Nintendo, Super Nintendo, then Sega Genesis, and on and on. And when we were playing these games, sometimes we would, I got to put like a little Nintendo controller here just because it's old school and it's what is right. Oh my goodness. Tell me how many hours I didn't spend on that thing. But those cheat codes would be things like A, B, up, down, left, right, start button. Like these little, once we put these cheat codes in there, it's like NBA Jam. The guy's head would get really big and would unlock all these cool little things. Mario would run faster. You get the idea, right? So the cheat codes I'm about to give you are cheat codes to basically help your post kind of cheat its way up the viral rankings a little bit more. So first cheat code I want to give you is video. Video has 5 times more engagement than just a picture or just text. So if you're brave, get a video out there. If you need to work your way up, that's okay too. Start with text, but know at the back of your mind, when you're ready for it, video is waiting, okay? We talked about this earlier, hashtags. I gave you one already. Let me give you a few more based on my research that I think will help you a lot, that's working right now. So the top 5 right now: networking, that's number 1. Number 2, working from home. Number 3, home office, right? Take a picture of your home office, hashtag home office. I'm loving working here. Why? Because my kids are here. Here's a picture of my dog. 4, working at home. Are you noticing a trend here? 5, life. Interesting, right? 3 of them have to do with working from home. Number 1 is networking. Guess what we're telling people to do on LinkedIn? Network. Don't just try to connect and pitch. Terrible idea. And then life. People are now living virtually. They have no choice. So no wonder those hashtags are so trending right now. For those members, I'm going to give you a huge list afterwards as well. Now, post when busy. You have to time your post when the most people will see it, like, and comment it, right? If you're posting at 3 in the morning or some Sunday afternoons or Saturday mornings, nobody's going to see that. They're not going to LinkedIn necessarily at those times. So best day is Wednesday. That's according to data, but your audience might be different. And I'm telling you, COVID has changed the whole game. So I'm going to give you some top times to write down. The first one is 7:45, right? As people start to, head into their home offices. 7:45 is good. 10:45, guess what that is? When they're taking their coffee break, right? So let's put a little mug of Java here, just as a little reminder. Okay. It's a happy mug. 12:45. So what is that? They had to step away from their computer. I can't take a screen anymore, but before my day starts again at 1 o'clock, I want to check this. I want to see what people are doing on LinkedIn. And then before I go to dinner with the kids, 5:45 p.m. So try those times. And I'm not saying like, don't wait till next Wednesday. Like, just get it done. Try it out. You're not going to do it the best day the first time. So tomorrow, try it out. 7:45, get your post out there. If you can't get it for then, post it at 10:45. And by the way, these are all Eastern time. Okay. The other second best times. Okay. So this is number one. Number two, the second best days are Tuesdays to Fridays. Tuesdays to Fridays, and between 8 to 2. All right. Lowest is Sunday is a no if you want high engagement. Now, once you get a real tribe going and your people are checking stuff out on Sunday, then that's cool. But I would stay away from Sundays, especially for your first post. You don't want that, to discourage you. Now, I'm going to give you, these are the, like, if you don't remember anything else, my friends, about what I'm going to tell you this evening, is this. So I would call these the mega codes. These are the mega codes, okay? The mega codes are what makes the biggest difference. So as soon as you post, LinkedIn is going to watch the activity on your post in the first 2 hours. And some people have used the number of 15. So I haven't gotten that personally verified, but let's go with it. I like 15. Let's give it a try. Okay. So 15 comments and 15 likes in less than 2 hours. So that means if your post does not get 15 comments or likes within 2 hours of it going live, it goes into the LinkedIn, toilet, as it were. We're not saying your stuff is toilet, but you get the idea, right? They're not going to promote it. So here's some really cool techniques to get that up there. First thing you're going to do is email your list. And by the way, I did this and I still do this. You do a post. As soon as the post goes live, you have the email already written, but you take a link to your LinkedIn post, you put it in there and you say, hey, quick favor. I just posted something interesting on LinkedIn about blah. Would you do me a quick favor and leave me a quick comment and a like? And I'll be very happy to do the same for you. That little line, I'll be happy to do the same for you, is really good because it gives them kind of like, oh, this person's into reciprocity. So do that because you're going to amplify your chances of getting a comment. Number two is you can do a contest. Now, we did this when we launched our LinkedIn channel. Our YouTube channel, and it worked just as well, is, hey, I'm starting to get my LinkedIn game up and going. So we have a client that's going to be doing this now. He always wears those little bandana face masks. So sometimes he does a LinkedIn video about them. He's a financial advisor. And he does a little bandana. So the next one he's going to do is he's going to give away one of them for the best comment. So you could say, hey guys, one of my first times on LinkedIn here, I want to do something fun, $10 gift card to the best comment below on what's your funniest story about blank, or what's your biggest horror story about managers, or whatever it is, or about working from home, right? Those are things you can kind of seed the interest and do an ethical bribe that way. The other one too is create a posting team. Now, very few people do this, but it's extremely powerful. And you guys can even create this in the Advisorist Facebook group, right? Reach out to people that want to create a posting team. So get 15 of you together on a little email list, and anytime, or you guys can do a WhatsApp group or whatever you want, anytime one of you posts, you post in that group, and then everybody has this agreement that everyone's going to share each other's content, right? So, okay, boom, I see Elizabeth posts in there. Boom, I'm going to go in there. Mike goes in there. Miles is in there. Great. Anytime I see the post, I'm going to like it. I'm going to comment and share. Now, here's the other super hack, really, really cool, is tag people in the comments and the post. So if you want people to see your post, like tag me in your post, tag your employees in the post, tag your business partners, tag the people at the home office you work with, right? The carriers, the FMOs, tag them. Basically just use the @ symbol, write their name, and boom, LinkedIn will find them. So when you post, guess what's going to happen? They're going to get an alert. John Smith just tagged you in a LinkedIn post. Guess what they're going to do? Oh my goodness, what is he saying about me, right? That's first thing that happens in our head. Then we go straight there and they're going to be like, oh, he's doing a cool post. He mentions me. Cool. Like and comment, maybe even share. And then here's another crazy hack is you can, once you do your post, under the post, you can create one comment where you tag 2 or 3 people. Hey, just giving a shout out to my new connections, which could be your prospects. Then the next one, create a new comment underneath your own post, tag a few more people. Already you got 2 comments right there. All right. So that's a cool little hack.
Alina here. I hope you guys found that clip from Jeremiah's recent live training as part of his financial services marketing plan as helpful as I did. Let me know in the comments below which of those cheat codes you're going to implement to start boosting more engagement to your posts. Also, if you'd like some more insightful strategies proven to work in 2020 as part of our tactical financial services marketing plan, then I'd like to personally invite you to our completely free virtual advisor power hour led by award-winning marketer Jeremiah Demaray every single week. These completely free live trainings are held on Wednesday evenings for hundreds of leading financial and insurance advisors just like you. I'll post a link in the description to those live trainings, and all you have to do is just click on the link to add it to your calendar. Plus, if you'd like to find out how some advisors have gone from booking 5 virtual meetings to 19 or more virtual meetings every month, that's $239,000 in commission in their pipeline, then I highly encourage you to book a LinkedIn marketing strategy call with one of our consultants. Our team will show you how to completely pivot to virtual meetings. This means more meetings for you, less wasted time, and less wasted energy. I'll post both of those links in the description below, and all you have to do is click. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.